What if a 1940 Ford pickup could outrun modern muscle cars while looking this beautiful? Wait until you hear what's hiding under the hood. Imagine walking into a showroom and spotting what appears to be a perfectly restored 1940 Ford pickup. The steel body gleams under the lights, the chrome sparkles from every angle, and the handcrafted oak wood bed instantly transports you back to the golden age of American trucks. But don't let its vintage appearance fool you. Beneath this timeless classic lies modern American performance that completely transforms the driving experience. Today, we're taking a closer look at this incredible 1940 Ford pickup Restomod, a truck that perfectly blends history, craftsmanship, luxury, and raw V8 power. And at an asking price of just $65,000, this build might be one of the best values in the world of classic custom trucks. The first thing that grabs your attention is the unmistakable styling that made the 1940 Ford pickup an icon. The beautifully sculpted steel fenders, solid steel running boards, and aggressive louvered hood preserve the truck's legendary pre-war character. Every curve tells the story of an era when vehicles were built with personality and craftsmanship instead of computers and wind tunnels. Walking around the truck, fresh chrome accents reflect every beam of light, creating a premium finish that looks worthy of any high-end concours event. The classic hubcap-style wheels maintain the authentic vintage appearance while hiding a modern performance setup underneath. Wrapped in 205/50 R17 tires up front and wider 215/60 R17 tires at the rear, this pickup enjoys improved grip and stability without sacrificing its nostalgic charm. Then your eyes move toward one of the truck's most impressive details, the stunning oak wood-lined bed. Beautiful natural wood panels contrast perfectly against the painted steel body, while the bedliner-coated inner wheel wells provide durability for real-world use. It's the perfect combination of elegance and practicality, making this truck just as impressive from behind as it is from the front. Now comes the biggest surprise. Lift the louvered hood and you'll discover one of General Motors' most respected modern engines, the legendary LS3 Crate V8. This engine completely changes the personality of the truck. Instead of vintage performance, you're getting modern reliability, instant throttle response, and effortless V8 power. It's an engine trusted by countless builders because it delivers exceptional performance while remaining dependable enough for long-distance cruising. Backing up the LS3 is the incredibly durable 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission. Known for handling serious horsepower, this transmission shifts smoothly whether you're cruising through town or accelerating onto the highway. Combined with a factory-style open rear end and a balanced 3.55 1 gear ratio, the truck delivers quick acceleration while maintaining relaxed highway cruising. Keeping everything cool is an aluminum radiator designed for modern performance, allowing the LS3 to stay comfortable even during warm summer drives. Stainless steel exhaust tubing flows into stainless steel mufflers, producing that unmistakable deep American V8 soundtrack without becoming overwhelming inside the cabin. But horsepower means very little if the chassis can't handle it. That's why this pickup rides on a professionally engineered TCI aftermarket frame instead of its original chassis. This modern foundation dramatically improves strength, handling, and overall driving confidence. Up front, tubular upper and lower control arms work alongside coilover suspension to deliver smooth, predictable handling, while rack-and-pinion power steering replaces the vague steering feel of the original truck with precise, modern control. Out back, the sophisticated 4-link rear suspension keeps the truck planted during acceleration while improving ride comfort over rough roads. Power brakes paired with drilled and slotted rotors provide modern stopping performance, giving drivers the confidence to enjoy every bit of the LS3's capability. Open the door, and the interior immediately reveals just how much attention was paid to luxury and craftsmanship. Beautiful tan leather covers the seats, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels far more like a luxury grand tourer than a work truck from the 1940s. The custom door panels continue the premium design throughout the cabin, while the matching custom headliner ties everything together with remarkable attention to detail. In front of the driver sits a custom suede-wrapped steering wheel connected to a modern tilt steering column, allowing drivers of different sizes to find the perfect driving position. Behind the wheel, aftermarket gauges are carefully designed to resemble the original factory instruments while providing the accuracy and reliability expected from modern electronics. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. Air conditioning ensures this classic remains enjoyable during hot summer cruises, while an aftermarket audio system lets you enjoy your favorite music without compromising the truck's timeless appearance. This is exactly what makes a great Restomod so special. Every upgrade has been carefully selected to improve performance, comfort, and reliability while preserving the soul of the original vehicle. From the outside, it remains unmistakably a 1940 Ford pickup. Behind the wheel, however, it feels like a completely modern machine. Whether it's turning heads at local car shows, cruising scenic highways, or simply enjoying a weekend drive with family and friends, this truck delivers an experience that's difficult to match. It celebrates American automotive history while embracing today's technology in all the right ways. And when you consider everything included, the powerful LS3 Crate V8, rugged 4L80E automatic transmission, modern TCI chassis, 4-link suspension, rack-and-pinion steering, power brakes, luxury tan leather interior, air conditioning, handcrafted oak bed, and countless custom details, the $65,000 price tag becomes remarkably attractive. Some classic vehicles are meant to be admired from a distance, others are built to be driven. This extraordinary 1940 Ford pickup manages to do both, proving that timeless design and modern engineering can exist together in perfect harmony. It's more than a restored truck. It's a handcrafted piece of automotive art that delivers classic style, modern performance, everyday comfort, and unforgettable presence every time it hits the road. If you enjoyed this incredible 1940 Ford pickup Restomod, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we bring you the world's most amazing classic cars, muscle cars, and custom builds every single week. Which feature impressed you the most? The LS3 V8, the handcrafted oak wood bed, or the luxurious tan leather interior? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.